Hello. Do you remember these? You don't see them very often in shops anymore because people are afraid they're infected. Now I will show you how you can wash your money without wasting precious disinfection solutions. And don't waste these. The first step is a bath in 70% alcohol. Now this is 96%. So we add some water. In goes the bills, and the viruses are already in shock. Second step is plain soap. Soap nearly kills every virus. Put some soap in water, and this is the next torture step for the virus. 60 seconds bath, after which you need to rinse them in water to prepare for the fourth step. By now you know also which is a fake bill, a counterfeit, and which is true money. Here comes the fourth step. In fact, you can use the fourth step really to disinfect anything. Socks, pullovers, carpets. Extreme heat kills nearly everything. And it's all about quantity, right? So here we are, a clean 50 € bill. Now, thank you for attention and enjoy spending your money. Goodness, these bills are really getting old now. I have to think where I'm going to put this box so nobody can find it.